Hey guys, glad to see you on this video. So today I want to review the Lowins application. So today we will talk about how to download it, how to use it, and how to create an account in this application. So let's get started. All you need to do is just open up Play Store or App Store on your mobile device, or if you use PC, you can install an Android emulator and just open up Play Store too. So here you need to type Lowins, the name of this application, and as you can see, this is a live video chat. Okay, go to this page, and here you can easily install it. So let's do it. Click on the install button, and let's read more about this application. So now, as you can see, this is the very popular application. The application has 4.6 rating and really a lot of downloads. And of course you can read reviews from other people, so it's awesome. In fact, it's user friendly, it's really cool. Okay, finally it's installed. Let's launch it. Just click on the open button. Okay, Lowins, love always wins. Let's click on the start button. Here you need to accept it. Just read it carefully. Okay, and now let's try to create an account. What's your name? Type it here. How old are you? How do you identify yourself? What notifications would you like to receive? Add your photos. Select your interests. Right now I'm looking for example, new friends. What age range are you looking for? Okay, finding perfect matches for you, analyzing your preferences. Okay, here we can continue to chat with these girls by $7 per week. But as you understand, it's not very believable, so we can just click on the cross icon at the top left. Okay, and now we need to access our camera and microphone. So let's do it. Go back to the application. And now just click on this button to start matching. Accept it. Searching. And here it is, we can accept. So this is how it looks like, and the application is really cool. And there are 5 tabs. Feed, of course, you can find someone right here. You can just search someone in the browse tab. Matching, search the random person, for example, woman or man. And you can buy games. Now I have 50 games. And the last tab is chat. Here you can chat with someone. And at first glance, this application is amazing, to be honest. So to open settings, just click on your profile icon at the top left and click on the gear icon right here. So it was a short tutorial about Lowins app. Hope this video was clear for you. Please subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.